Today we're looking at a projector built for serious installations where performance and reliability matter. The Sharp NEC display NP-P547UL is a professional-grade projector designed for boardrooms, lecture halls, and large event spaces. Its combination of brightness, precision, and low-maintenance design makes it a compelling option for anyone who needs high-quality projection in demanding environments. At the core of this projector is a laser light engine producing 5,400 lumens. That level of brightness ensures images remain vivid and clear even in well-lit rooms. With a WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, and a 16:10 aspect ratio, it delivers sharp visuals and accurate colors for detailed presentations, videos, and charts. This makes it a versatile tool for professional use where image clarity is non-negotiable. One major advantage is its long-life laser light source. Rated for up to 20,000 hours, it eliminates the hassle of frequent lamp replacements. Combined with a sealed optical engine, IP5X, this projector is protected from dust and debris, meaning it can perform reliably over years of continuous use without needing maintenance. This is especially important for installations in busy or less controlled environments. Installation flexibility is impressive. The projector features manual horizontal and vertical lens shift and a 1.6 times manual zoom. Its throw ratio of 1.23, 2.0 to 1 allows projection across a wide range of screen sizes, from small setups to screens as large as 300 inches. Whether mounted on a ceiling or positioned on the floor, it supports roll-free installation, providing options for unconventional or unique setups. Noise is minimal. Even in eco mode, the projector runs at around 22 dB, making it nearly silent during presentations or lectures. Build quality is solid and designed for long-term use, which is critical for professional installations. Connectivity covers modern professional requirements. The NP-P547UL includes dual HDMI inputs, HD-Base-T, VGA, and USB ports, enabling integration with existing AV infrastructure. It also supports 4K input at 30 Hz, allowing it to handle high-resolution content with minimal compromise. The 3 LCD engine ensures consistent color and brightness across the entire image, delivering visuals that are vivid, accurate, and professional-looking. For those weighing its suitability, this projector is clearly aimed at professional installations rather than casual home use. Its manual lens adjustments and higher price point reflect its positioning as a long-term solution for environments that demand quality, flexibility, and minimal maintenance. It's not a simple plug-and-play home projector, but for conference rooms, classrooms, or event spaces, it's a reliable choice. In short, the Sharp NEC display NP-P547UL offers a combination of brightness, durability, flexibility, and low-maintenance operation. It's ideal for large venues where high-quality visuals are essential and downtime must be minimized. For anyone looking to invest in a professional projector capable of long-term, trouble-free performance, the NP-P547UL is a strong contender. If you want to buy the Sharp NEC display NP-P547UL LCD projector, 1610, ceiling mountable, floor mountable, check the link in the description. Future videos will explore detailed installation, setup tips, and real-world image performance to help you get the most out of this projector.